Across the world, engineers sometimes build trucks that feel almost impossible. 6 wheels, military-grade hardware, and power levels closer to supercars than work vehicles. These machines weren't designed for ordinary roads. They were built to dominate deserts, mountains, and terrain most vehicles would never survive. 8. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Extreme engineering rarely produces vehicles that look as outrageous as they perform, yet the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 manages to do both without compromise. Built originally as a military-inspired concept and later offered in extremely limited numbers, this gigantic 6-wheeled pickup quickly became one of the most extreme luxury trucks ever created outside the United States. The G63 AMG 6x6 is based on the famous G-Class platform, but heavily modified to handle its massive size and off-road capability. Instead of the standard 4 wheels, this machine rides on 6 driven wheels, supported by portal axles, and an advanced all-wheel drive system designed to conquer the toughest terrain imaginable. Under the hood sits a monstrous 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged AMG V8 engine, producing 536 horsepower and an enormous 561 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers give the massive truck shocking performance despite its enormous size. With a curb weight of approximately 8,005, find the Defender family for decades. The long cargo bed, muscular stance, and rugged body panels give the truck a serious and purposeful appearance. Inside the cabin, the Defender balances durability with modern technology. Premium materials, large infotainment displays, and advanced driver systems make the interior comfortable while still suitable for demanding adventures. Because pickup versions of the Defender are produced in relatively limited numbers, they remain rare vehicles in many parts of the world. Subscribe for more rare and insane automotive machines. 2. Toyota Land Cruiser 79 Series Pickup. Durability has always been the foundation of Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser lineup, and the Land Cruiser 79 Series Pickup represents one of the toughest work machines ever created. Built primarily for harsh environments such as deserts, mines, and remote construction sites, this truck focuses on strength and reliability rather than luxury. Unlike many modern pickups that emphasize comfort and technology, the Land Cruiser 79 stays true to a traditional off-road philosophy. Its ladder frame chassis, solid axles, and rugged mechanical design allow the truck to survive in conditions where many vehicles would quickly fail. Power comes from Toyota's dependable 4.5-liter turbocharged V8 diesel engine, producing approximately 202 horsepower and around 430 pound-feet of torque. These numbers may appear modest compared with modern performance trucks, but the engine delivers tremendous low-end torque that is ideal for heavy loads in difficult terrain. With a curb weight of roughly 4,900 pounds, the Land Cruiser 79 pickup can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10.8 seconds. Flat out, the truck can reach a top speed of approximately 105 miles per hour, although its real strength lies far away from paved roads. The vehicle's four-wheel drive system includes locking differentials and a low-range transfer case, allowing the truck to crawl through mud, sand, rocks, and steep mountain trails. Heavy-duty suspension components and reinforced axles allow the truck to carry large payloads while maintaining stability on rough surfaces. Visually, the Land Cruiser 79 maintains the classic boxy design that has defined the Land Cruiser family for decades. Straight body panels, high ground clearance, and a long cargo bed give the truck a serious working appearance. Inside the cabin, The design remains simple and functional. Durable materials, straightforward controls, and easy-to-read gauges emphasize practicality over luxury. Drivers in remote regions often choose the Land Cruiser 79 because it can operate reliably in extreme heat, harsh dust, and isolated environments where repair facilities are limited. Over time, the truck has developed a reputation for lasting decades with proper maintenance. 1. Nissan Navara Warrior, Australia. Aggressive off-road engineering rarely comes straight from the factory, but the Nissan Navara Warrior proves that manufacturers can create serious adventure trucks without relying on aftermarket builders. Developed specifically for Australia's harsh terrain, the Warrior package transforms the standard Navara into a far more capable and rugged pickup. Australia is known for some of the toughest driving conditions in the world. From scorching deserts to rocky trails and remote outback roads, vehicles must be extremely durable to survive. Nissan partnered with Australian engineering specialists to design the Warrior version so it could handle these demanding environments. Under the hood, the Navara Warrior uses a 2.3-liter twin-turbo diesel inline-4 engine, producing around 187 horsepower and approximately 332 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers may not sound extreme compared with high-performance trucks, the diesel engine provides strong pulling power and excellent durability during off-road driving. With a curb weight of about 4,600 pounds, the Nissan Navara Warrior can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 10.5 seconds. The truck